Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Binance Earn flexible product. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the More tab, and then you want to simply go ahead and navigate to the Earn section and select the Simple Earn right over here. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and select a flexible asset like USDT, and then you want to simply go ahead and enter your subscription. So enter your contribution amount, review real-time and bonus tiered API details, and activate auto subscribe to on, just like that. And finally, once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and redeem anytime, so the funds can be withdrawn instantly without penalties. Access them through the Earn wallet. So it is as simple as that. If you don't understand what this is just like a fixed deposit in a bank. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.